Hello everyone, I hope everyone who's watching here today is having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be doing bright colored nails set because it is still summer down here, even though I think for the past week we've been having just like downpours. It's just been raining, and I haven't seen the sun in the longest time. I miss the sun. No, I don't miss the sun. I'm actually enjoying cloudy, rainy weather over here, but it's been cold too, so it's a little weird, a cold summer. But anyway, okay, we're gonna be doing these nails, and I'm not gonna be talking a lot because it's just acrylic and me getting frustrated with my acrylic brush, which when I was doing this video, making this video, I didn't have a new brush, but while doing the voiceover, I had just finished a set with a brand new acrylic brush, and it works very well, and I'm very happy. Maybe if you stick around on this channel, you will find out which brush it is, because it's in a haul. The next video will be a haul, nail art haul, so that's where I'll be showing you, and it works great. I'm very happy. All right, these acrylic powders that I pulled out, I hardly use them, and whenever I use them again, I always get frustrated because I forget that I'm not supposed to use them because they marble involuntarily. They just marble and they dry out quick, and they just don't spread like proper acrylic. So what I did is, after making this video, I just threw them out, like forget it, that's it, I'm done with you. Because now I just end up looking like an amateur. I don't know how to apply acrylic, only to find that it's the brush and then it's the acrylic powder. And yeah, so like I said, with the video that I just recorded, I now can see that it is not user error, it's the products. Anyway, like I said, I'm not going to be talking a lot through this. You'll see a lot of jumps. That's because I was getting frustrated, and I don't want to put you guys through you having to watch me battle through something that I already told you is problematic. But as far as this middle finger that I'm doing right now, it is meant to be for the glitter acrylic powder, but because it's clear, I needed a background on it, so I'm doing this yellow just as a kind of like a slip layer for what's still gonna come on top of it. And then the rest is ombre here or plain here, and then yeah, and it's fun, bright colors, and they made me feel summery because I was just too much into winter and Christmas and Valentine, and I ended up forgetting where we are down here in the southern hemisphere. We're having fun. Soon it will come to an end though. I was enjoying this rain, the thunder. Like last night, it rained from around 8 p.m. until the following morning when I had to take my kids to school. It was beautiful. Every time you toss and turn, you wake up a little, you hear something. It's just nice and soft summer rain. Yeah, I'm showing you the bristles of this brush. It's less. I haven't used it more than 5 times, and it looks like this. Anyway, that's what you get for cheap brushes, which call themselves Kalinsky. Anyway, whatever. I will let you guys watch, and I will come in at the end of the video. It's not a very long video, so just watch my application and watch me battle, and let me know what you think about the colors and me putting everything together. Did it work out well, or did you not like it? Let me know. And to everybody who is new here, welcome, and I hope you enjoy and you stay and you have subscribed. And to every and anybody else, thank you very much for coming back and watching my videos. You are helping my channel a lot. I appreciate you. You are highly appreciated. All right, let's carry on watching. Okay, we are at the end of the video, basically, and I get to use these green rhinestones, which I don't ever really use, and it was fun. It was nice this time I got to use it, and I have so many other rhinestones colors that I don't really reach for, because I need to really work on my designs and all that. I don't get inspiration for the colors that I have. I must just think about it. It's fine. I'm lazy maybe. All right, let's end this video. Let me know if you liked the design and what would you have done different. Let's end this video with a cool fun fact. An elephant's waist weighs more than you. However big you are, however small you are, it weighs more than you. Okay, let me leave you guys with a surprise, friend. Check. Say hello to the people. Say hello. Right, very easily distracted. Oh my gosh, very easily distracted. Okay, everyone, thank you very much. Goodbye. Take care. Subscribe.